Today we're making a classic American breakfast favorite, French toast with a twist. We're taking thick sliced brioche bread that's been slightly toasted and we're dipping it in a mixture of eggs, milk, sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, and vanilla. Then we'll top it with sliced strawberries, blackberries, and blueberries that were marinated overnight in Grand Marnier and Brandy and orange juice. We'll drizzle the French toast with hot Vermont maple syrup and powdered sugar. It's going to be delicious, so stick around and we'll show you how we make it. My name is Mark Phillips. I've been in the food and beverage business for over 30 years. Throughout my career, I've had the opportunity to be in over 10,000 kitchens from around the world. Each week, I travel to a different city and get the opportunity to call on some of the most amazing chefs in the industry. The Kitchen of Chef Mark is a channel dedicated to showing you how you too can make fine dining, restaurant quality food right in your own home. We'll travel together, we'll cook together, and we'll have some fun along the way. Welcome to the Kitchen of Chef Mark. Now let's get cooking. Today we're making a classic American breakfast favorite, French toast with a twist. Thick sliced brioche bread that's been slightly toasted, dipped in a mixture of eggs, milk, sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, and vanilla. Topped with sliced strawberries, blackberries, and blueberries marinated overnight in Grand Marnier, Brandy, and orange juice. Drizzled with Vermont maple syrup and topped with powdered sugar. Impress your guest with a French toast that not only looks amazing, but is bursting with flavor too. Our mise en place for today's breakfast is 2 ounces of blackberries, 2 ounces of blueberries, and 4 sliced strawberries, 2 ounces of brandy, 2 ounces of Grand Marnier, and 4 ounces of Natalie's orange juice. For our French toast, 6 slices of brioche bread, Vermont maple syrup, a pinch of salt, a tablespoon of vanilla, 1 stick of unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 2 eggs, a half a cup of milk, and a 1/4 teaspoon each of nutmeg and cinnamon. Our first step is to toast the bread. The reason that we toast it first is because we don't want the French toast to be soggy. Toasting the bread helps to keep it firm. While the bread is in the oven toasting, put 2 eggs in a bowl and whisk them until smooth. Add in the milk, the sugar, the salt, the vanilla, the nutmeg, and the cinnamon, and whisk everything together until all of the ingredients are mixed in thoroughly. Put some butter in a non-stick pan and bring the heat up to medium-low. Put a piece of the toasted brioche bread into the mixture and coat the top and bottom thoroughly. Let the excess mixture drip off of the bread and then put it into the pan. You can also use a non-stick flat griddle if you want to cook all of the pieces at the same time. Cook the French toast for 3 to 4 minutes and then flip it over and cook it an additional 3 to 4 minutes. You want the French toast to be a golden brown. We'll put the French toast onto a plate and place it into a 170-degree oven to stay warm. And now it's time to plate our dish. And there it is, French toast with a twist. Thick sliced toasted brioche bread dipped in a tasty mixture of sweet goodness, topped with fresh fruit, marinated overnight in fine liqueurs and squeezed fresh orange juice, drizzled with maple syrup and topped with powdered sugar. It was delicious. Until next time, bon appetit.